want to take a second and talk about tools, have our own little tool time. This is a handheld band saw. Real common tool, real cool tool to have. A lot of times people will cut metal or rails with a Sawzall, and that's a pretty violent way to cut. It works, but a handheld band saw is also really commonly used. It's often used by electricians when they're cutting their conduit so that they can make a quick, clean cut through the conduit. Can also be used to cut off the ends of rails. If you're doing a rail mount and the rail sticks out too far, use the bandsaw and just cut it off at the end of the job. Typical construction, it's got the band around the back, so the bandsaw rotates like this. It's got a light switch in case you need extra light on what you're cutting. You grip it in the front, turn it on in the back. Real handy tool, and it's angled just right. The blade is just angled just right so that as you hold it like this, the blade is pointing straight down. I don't have to hold it sideways to make it work right. So the balance is just right. And just wanted to point out, and typically it's got battery power just like all your other drills and impact drivers would have. So cool tool.
Hey, thanks for watching the training video using Interplay's simulation-based training program. You can keep watching our solar videos by clicking on the link to your left, or stay up to date on our latest solar snacks by subscribing on your right. To learn more about how the STP provides critical team training and helps you build an onboarding program at your company, please go to interplaylearning.com.